boom, boom. The vapor just covered the whole plane.
He's getting to the point where he's almost going faster than speed of sound.
Yeah.
That's
The boom, boom.
well, the vapor trail.
Yeah?
If he goes faster, it'll pull back away.
Oh, really?
The plane will?
No, the vapor will pull back
Where the hell
over
is
in
he?
front of it.